Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be solving the remaining questions from CAT 2017 slot 2, and all these 6 questions are moderate to difficult. So let's start the session. The first question says that the numbers 1 to 9 are arranged in a 3 cross 3 square grid in such a way that each number occurs once. Okay guys, very important, each number occurs once, and the entries along each column, each row, and each of the two diagonals add up to the same value. Another important information: if the top left and the top right entries of the grid are 6 and 2, okay, then the bottom middle entry is all right. So let's say we have a 3 cross 3 grid. Okay, this is a 3 cross 3 grid. Okay, now guys, we are told that the sum, okay, sum, if I look at the sum in this direction, okay, that means column wise sum, everything will be same. So this will be a, let's say the sum is a and a, and if I go row wise, the sum will be same. Okay, so this will also be a, this will also be a, this will also be a. So what will be the total sum guys? Total sum will be 3a, total sum will be 3a, and I have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 till 9. This can be written as 9 into 10 by 2, right? N into n plus 1 by 2, sum of the first and natural numbers. So this is 45. That means 3a is equal to 45. From here I get a is equal to 15. Very important derivation, I would say. So the sum along each row and each column will be 15 guys. This will also be 15, 15, 15, and diagonally also the sum must be 15 guys. Okay, diagonally also the sum of the numbers, let's say I have x, y, z, so x plus y plus z will be 15, and let's say I have p and q here, so p plus q plus y will also be 15 guys. Okay, because we are told that each row, each column, and each of the two diagonals add up the same value. All right, we are given the top right entries of the grid are 6 and 2 respectively, top left and right. Okay, top left is 6. Okay, so this is the top left, and top right is 2. So this is 8. I need 15, so this will be 7, right? 9 plus 6 is 15. Yeah, all right. Okay, now again I need a 15 in this second column. I need a 15 in this second column. All right, I already have a 7, so 15 minus 7 is 8. That means let's say this is let's say this is b. Okay, this number here is b, so I have to find y plus b equal to 8, right? I have, what are the numbers that I have in my hand? I have 1, 2 is used, so 2 won't be there. 1, 2, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is gone, 7 is gone, 8. I cannot use 8 guys. Okay, even if 8 and 9 is there, I need b plus y equal to 8, and these are natural numbers, so definitely I cannot use 9, I cannot use 8, right? Now if I use, let's say, 4, if any of the numbers y or b, let's say any of y or b becomes 4, then the other must be 4, but I cannot use 2 fours. 4 is out. 3, if I use 3, then the other number will be 5, so 3 is possible. If I use 5, the other number will be 3, so that means 3 or 5. That means this will be 3 or 5, and this will be 5 or 3 guys. There are two possibilities, right? Okay, okay, now guys, please remember this: Please remember this, x plus y plus z is 15 guys. If y is 3, okay, if y is equal to 3, if y equal to 3 guys, then 6 plus 3 plus z equal to 15. That means 9 plus z equal to 15. From here z will come out to be 6 guys. Is this possible guys? I cannot have 2 6. I cannot have 2 6, right? I have already used 1 6 in the top left. That means this number will be, this number cannot be 3. This cannot be 3 guys. Okay, this assumption that we have considered, if y equal to 3 is not possible. That means 3 is not possible here. So the answer will be, so the y will be equal to 5. So y equal to 5 and b equal to 3. This is also gone. I need bottom middle entry guys. This is the bottom, this is the middle one, b. B is the bottom middle. So b equal to 3. Okay, I am not finding out the remaining. Okay guys, I am not finding out the remaining. The question is to find the bottom middle entry. So b, I need to find b, and b is 3. So the correct answer will be 3 guys. Okay, a very good question guys, a very good question. Let's move on to the next question. The base of a vertical pillar with uniform cross section guys is a trapezium whose parallel sides are of length 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter, while the other two sides are of equal length. All right, the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides of the trapezium is 12 centimeter. Okay, if the height of the pillar is 20 centimeter, then the total area in square centimeter of all 6 surfaces of the pillar is. Okay, so let's say this is the base of the trapezium. Okay, this is the base of the trapezium. This is the base of the trapezium, and the parallel sides are of length 10 and 20 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. This is 10, this is 20, and we are told that while the other two sides are of equal length, so this will be x, this will be also x. All right, now guys, if I draw the perpendicular, this is the height, right? We are also given the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides of the trapezium is 12 centimeter. That means the height of the trapezium is 12 centimeter. Okay, this is 12, this is also 12. Now this is a rectangle, right guys? This is a rectangle, so this will be 10 also. Now entire length is 20 centimeter, so this will be 5, this will be 5. Now I have a right angle triangle where I have 5 and 12 as the length of the two sides. Therefore, x will be 13. Pythagoras triplet. So x will be 13. X equal to 13. Okay. This is the dimension. These are the dimensions of the base of the pillar. Okay. Now, this is the pillar will look somewhat like this. Okay, guys. Right. Pillar will look somewhat like this. All right. Okay, this is the pillar. Okay, now the top surface is also a trapezium, and it will be same as the base of the uh, pillar. Okay, so the dimension will be same. So the area of the top surface, top plus bottom surfaces, top plus bottom surfaces, what will be it? So these are the two like similar, not similar, identical or congruent trapezium. So 2 times into area of one of the trapezium. What is the area of a trapezium? Half into the height of the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides, which is 12, into sum of the parallel sides. So 10 plus 20. So this will be 12 into 30, which will give me 360 centimeters square. Okay, so I have found out the area of the top surface and the bottom surface. Now if I look at the back side and the front side, this is the back side guys. Okay, this is the back side and this is the front side. Okay, this is the front side. Okay, these are rectangles, right? This is the back side. Okay, this is the back side guys. This is the, this rectangle that I am highlighting with the red pen is the back side of the pillar. Similarly, this is the one that I am highlighting with yellow color is the front side, guys. Okay, this is the front side of the pillar. Okay, so these are basically rectangles, right? These are rectangles. So the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So what is the length? So this is basically 10, and we are told that the height of the pillar is 20 centimeter. That means this is 20. Okay, so 10 into 20 will give me the area of the back side. Area of back side. Okay, what is the area of the front side? Area of the front side is, the height is same, 20. What is this? For this length will be also 20. 20 into 20. Area of front side. So this will be 200 plus 400, right? 200 plus 400. So this is 600. All right. And we also have two other rectangles here, right? The side, the area of the sides will be length into breadth. This is 13. So 20 into 13. There are two such rectangles. So into 2. So this will be 26, 520, 520 centimeters square. So what is the total area? 300 plus 600 is 900, 900 plus 500 is 1400, 1460, 70, 80. So 1480 centimeter square is the answer. So the correct answer will be option C. Okay guys, I hope you have understood this question. Okay, a very good question. Let's move on to the third question. How many different pairs a comma b of positive integers are there such that a is less than or equal to b and 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1 by 9? A very good question, guys. This is a very good and conceptual question. Okay, so first of all, we are told that a and b are positive integers. By positive integers, they mean to say that they belong to n. Okay, n means natural numbers, guys. Okay, n means natural numbers. This is the first condition. What is the second condition? Second condition is a is less than or equal to b. In these types of question, always it's better to write down the condition so that you do not include or you do not exclude any cases. Okay, you do not include any additional cases or you exclude some cases. Okay, so always write the conditions. And third is basically the equation 1 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1 by 9, guys. Okay, so in these types of question, guys, take the LCM. Okay, basically in these types of question, your final goal or your main motive should be to somehow express the equation as a product of two variables. Okay, as a product of two variables. Okay, try to express the given equation as a guys, what did I say? I said product. Okay, very important. Product of two terms. All right, this is the main motive. This is your main aim or motive in these types of questions. Okay, so what will I do? I will take the LCM. I will write b plus a, right? Simple calculation. From here I will have 9a plus 9b is equal to ab. From here I can write 9a minus ab plus 9b equal to 0. From here I can take a common. I can write 9 minus b. Okay, now I need another 9 minus b so that I can take common. So let's say I write 9 minus b. I have plus 9b, so I am adding 1 minus 9 here. So see, 9 into a will give me 9a. Okay, this is a, guys. Okay, this is not 9, this is a. I am taking a common, right? So a into 9 is 9a. A into minus b is will give me minus ab. Minus 9 into 9 will give me minus 81, right? And minus 9 into minus b will give me plus 9b. That means I am adding a minus 81 here. That means I have to add another minus 81 in the right hand side as well. Correct, guys? From here I can take, or I can write a minus 9 into 9 minus b is equal to minus 81, or I can write a minus 9 into b minus 9 is equal to 81, right? Taking the minus as common, minus or the negative sign common. Okay, now I have reached my goal. The goal was to express the given equation as a product of two terms. Okay, I have expressed it, okay, as 81. And now you have to know a bit of number theory here. Okay guys, so 81 can be written as 3 to the power of 4. That means how many factors are there? Number of factors equal to 5. Number of factors equal to 5. Okay, so how? Let's see. I can write 1 into 81, 3 into 27, 9 into 9, 27 into 3. Okay, so how many factors are there, guys? 1, then 3 is another one, 9 is another one, 27 and 81. So there are 5 different factors of 81, right? That means, and please note, they belong to natural number. That means I can say a minus 9 is equal to 1 and b minus 9 equal to 81. I can say it like this, right? Now many of you might ask me why a minus 9 is, can this is also possible, a minus 1 equal to 81 and b minus 9 equal to 1. This is also possible, right? This is also perfectly fine. But please remember guys, a is less than or equal to b. Please note, okay, if this condition was not given, if this condition, the second condition was not given, then you can use this, then you have to use this or include this case. Okay guys, that is why I mentioned in the starting of the like while solving this question, I mentioned that always write the conditions so that you do not forget what are the cases that you should exclude and what are the cases that you should include, guys. Okay, so I am excluding this case, second case. Okay, I need only a as less than or equal to b. From here I will get a equal to 10 and b equal to 90. This is perfectly fine. Okay, belongs to natural number, a is less than equal to b. Second case, a minus 9 is equal to 3 and b minus 9 equal to 27. From here a will be 12 and b will be 36. So this is also perfectly fine. So till now we have two distinct pairs of a and b, right? What are these pairs? 10 comma 90. Okay, then I have 12 comma 36. These are the two pairs as of now. Let's see the third. If I see here a minus 9 equal to, let's say, 9 and b minus 9 equal to also 9. Is this possible, guys? I will get a equal to 18 and b equal to 18. Perfectly fine. Why? Because we are also told that it can be equal to b, right? A is less than or equal to b, so this is also perfectly fine. So the third pair is 9 comma 9. Okay, and please remember we have different pairs. Okay, all these are different pairs. Now a minus 9 cannot be equal to 27, right? A minus 9 cannot be 27. If a minus 9 is 27, then b minus 9 will be 3. So here b will be less than a, which is not valid. So there are three different pairs. So the correct answer will be 3, guys. Okay, a very good question, guys, a very good question. Okay, I hope you have understood the logic behind the solving this question. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. We have f of x equal to 2x minus 5 and g of x equal to 7 minus 2x. Then mod of f of x plus g of x is equal to mod of f of x plus mod of g of x if and only if. Okay, what will be f of x plus g of x and taking the mod, right? F of x is 2x minus 5, g of x is 7 minus 2x. If I add these two, 2x and 2x will get cancelled. I will have minus 5 plus 7 mod, which will be basically 2. That means I need to solve for mod of f of x plus mod of g of x is equal to 2. I need to solve for this, right? Because this entire thing is 2, right? This is 2. Okay, okay. Let's solve this. So what is f of x? F of x is 2x minus 5 mod. What is g of x? 7 minus 2x. You have mod. Now you have 2. Okay, guys. So what are the roots, guys? Root of this term is 5 by 2. What is the root of this? Root is 7 by 2. Draw the number line. Okay, and so this is 7 by 2. This is 5 by 2. That means I have 3 regions. I have 3 regions. Number 1, when x is greater than or equal to 7 by 2. When this is the case, first term will be positive, so it will be 2x minus 5. It will open with the plus symbol. Okay, 7 minus 2x, so 7 by 2 is 3.5. So if I take a number which is greater than 3.5, which is let's say 4, then this will become 8. So 7 minus 8 is minus 1. That means it will open with negative. 7 minus 2x equal to 2. So from here I have 4x and I have minus 12 equal to 2. From here I will get x equal to 14 by 4 or 7 by 2. That means when x is greater than or equal to 7 by 2, I am getting a fixed value x equal to 7 by 2. That means the equation will be satisfied at x equal to 7 by 2. That means at x equal to 7 by 2, the equation will be satisfied. That means x equal to 7 by 2 must be a part of the solution, guys. Okay, this must be a part of the solution. X equal to 7 by 2 must be a part of the solution. Is x equal to 7 by 2 part of option A? No, so this is gone. Is x equal to 7 by 2 part of option B? Yes. Option C also yes. Option D is also yes. Okay, as of now we are able to eliminate option 1. What is the second case? When x lies between, x is less than or equal to 5 by 2 and less than 7 by 2. If this is the case, guys, this is the case, then this will open, both the terms will open with positive sign. So I will have 2x minus 5 plus 7 minus 2x equal to 2. Okay, both the terms will open with positive, so 2x and 2x will get cancelled. So this will give me minus 5 plus 7, so this is 2 equal to 2, which is always true, That means for any x belonging to these region, the equation will be satisfied. And we also know that x equal to 7 by 2 is a part of the solution. That means, guys, this is always true, right? This is always true. But we have also seen that at x equal to 7 by 2 also this will be satisfied. That means I can write 5 by 2 less than equal to x, and x is less than equal to 7 by 2. Alright, so the correct answer will be option D. No need to check for, guys, there will be a third region as well where x is less than 5 by 2. No need to check for this region, guys, because we have already found out that x must lie between these two. This can be, x can also be equal to 5 by 2 or 7 by 2, and the only option which satisfy this is 5 by 2, option D, that is 5 by 2 less than equal to x and less than equal to 7 by 2. Not a difficult one, I would say easy to moderate. Okay, let's move on to the next question. An infinite geometric progression a1 a2 a3 dot 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 has a property that such that an is equal to 3 times of an plus 1 plus an plus 2 plus dot 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 for every n greater than equal to 1. If the sum of a1 till infinity is equal to 32, then find the value of a5. So this is an infinite geometric progression, right? So a1 a2 a3 dot 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 dot, it goes until infinity. Okay, this goes until infinity. This is a geometric progression, so I can write a1 is equal to, let's say, b, What will be a2? A2 is equal to b times of r. What is r, guys? R is the common ratio. Okay, r is the common ratio of the infinite geometric progression. So this will be b r square, and it will go on like this. All right. The property that this progression follows is an is equal to 3 an plus 1 plus an plus 2 plus dot 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 dot, right? And this is for every n greater than, for all n greater than equal to 1. N is basically your natural number. Okay, so and it is given that the summation of the infinite geometric progression is 32. This will go until infinity, right? What is the sum of an infinite geometric progression? It is first term by the difference of the 1 minus r, a by 1 minus r. Okay, is equal to 32 is the sum, right? What is a1? A1 is b. 1 minus r is equal to 32. Okay, this is a equation in two variables, right? B and r. Let's see if we can find another equation, then we can find the value of a5. Okay, an, right? An. Okay, let's say let n equal to 1. What will I get, guys? If I put n equal to 1, okay, if I put n equal to 1, I will get a1 equal to 3 times of a2 plus a3 plus dot dot dot, right? This is also till infinity, so this is also till infinity. All right, guys. So now, guys, this can be written as this entire thing, right? This is the sum of an infinite geometric progression, right? I can say a1 plus a2 plus a3 till infinite, right? Minus a1, I can write this, right? A1 will get cancelled. From here I can write a1 equal to 3 times, what is this? This is the sum of the infinite geometric progression, which is 32, right? We are already given this is 32, no need to calculate anything, minus a1, right? From here I can say a1 equal to 3 into 32 will give me 6 and 9, right? 96 minus 3 a1, so a1 will be 96 by 4. 96 by 4 is basically 24, right? 2, yeah, 24. That means what is a1? A1 is b, so b is 24. So b is 24, b equal to 24. So 24 by 1 minus r is equal to 32. 8 into 3, 8 into 4. So from here 3 is equal to 4 minus 4r, or r equal to 1 by 4. Am I correct? R equal to 1 by 4. Correct. We have the first term, we have the common ratio, so we need to find a5. What will be a5? B r to the power of 4. What is b? First term, b is 24. R is 1 by 4, right? R is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 to the power of 4. This can be written as 24 into 1 by 2 square. So 8. 1 by 2 to the power 8. So 12 into 1 by 2 to the power of 7. So 2 to the power 4, right? So 3. 2 to the power of 5. 32. 3 by 32. So the correct answer will be option C. This was also I would say an easy to moderate level question. I would say this was an easy level question, the easiest one as of now. Let's move on to the last question, guys. If a1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 5, a2 is equal to 1 by 5 into 8, and a3 is equal to 1 by 8 into 11, dot dot dot, then a1 plus a2 plus a3 till a100 is okay. So guys, in these types of questions, the your main focus should be to observe the terms first and check if the difference, or let's say the product, or any mathematical operations that you do in each of the term, will that give you a constant value. In our case, this will give me a constant value. See guys, I have 1 by 2 into 5, 1 by 5 into 8, 1 by 8 into 11. So what is the difference between these two? 3. difference again 3, difference again 3. Okay, so this is a pattern that we have observed. Now when you find or when you observe that the difference is constant, divide by that number 1 by 3 and multiply that number by 3. Okay, this will be 1 only. And I have a1. What is a1, guys? A1 is, I will write it again, guys, okay, so that you do not get confused. I have a1. A1 is equal to 1 by 2 into 5, right? Now I see that the difference is constant, so I will do one thing, divide by 3, multiply by 3. Same thing, right, guys? Same thing. Now you might ask me why only 3? Because the number the difference is 3. Had the difference be any other number, you had to divide and multiply by that number. And why we are dividing and multiplying by that number is because we want to basically express uh, each term as a summation or a difference of two terms. Okay, and I will let you know why I am doing this. You will get to understand this, why I am doing this. Now guys, I will keep 1 by 3 as it is. This 3 I can write like this, right? 3 by 2 into 5, right? 1 by 3 into, now 3 can be written as 5 minus 2. I hope now you are able to understand why I am doing this. This can be written as 5 by 2 into 5 minus 2 by 2 into 5. Again, this can be written as 5 and 5 will get cancelled, 1 by 2, 2 and 2 will get 1 by 5. This is the first term. Now I am able to express a1 as a summation or difference of two terms, right? So a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus dot 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 plus a100. I need to find what is a1. A1 is 1 by 3, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. What is a2, guys? A2 will be 1 by 3 into 1 by 5 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 8 minus 1 by 11 plus dot dot plus a100. I will calculate a100 or find out what is a100. I can take 1 by 3 common, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 11. Now guys, the main motive was to express the each term as a summation or difference of two terms. And now you can see minus 1 by 5 and plus 1 by 5 will get cancelled, minus 1 by 8 and plus 1 by 8 will get cancelled. Similarly, all the terms will get cancelled except the first term and the last term. Now I need to find the a100 to calculate the last term, right? Now guys, a1, let's say, is equal to 1 by b1 into c1. Okay, a2 is equal to 1 by b2 into c2. a3 is equal to 1 by b3 into c3 and so on. So a100 will be 1 by b100 into c100. If I can find b100 or c100, I can find the other, right? If I can find b100, I can find c100. If I can find c100, I can find b100. Why? Because the difference is 3, right? If I find b100, I will add 3. If I find c100, I will subtract 3. Okay, now what is b1, right? b1 is 2. What is b2? b1 is 2. What is b2? b2 is 5. What is b3? b3 is 8 dot 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 till b100. Now this is an arithmetic progression or AP, right? The common difference is 3 everywhere. That means b100 will be equal to first term plus n minus 1. N means number of terms, which is 100, minus 1 into d. D is the common difference. So 2 plus 100 into 3 is 300, minus 3 is 297, 299. That means a100 is equal to 1 by 299 into 302, right? The difference is 3, right? So this can be written as 1 by 299 minus 1 by 302, right? Now I can cancel of the terms. 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 11 plus 1 by 11 will be there, and minus 1 by 99 2 or minus 1 by 299 plus 1 by 299. So I will be left with 1 by 3, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 302. So 1 by 3, I take 1 by 2 common, so I will be left with 1 minus 1 by 150, 151, right? 156. So 2 into 15, yeah, no, not 256, it will be 51, guys. 200 151, right? So this will be 1 by 6 into 150 by 151. So this is divisible by 6, so 6 into 2 is 12, 30 is 25, so this will be 25 by 151. This is the correct answer. So the correct answer will be option A. Okay, a very good question, guys. Easy to moderate level question. And this brings us to the end of CAT 2017 slot 2 solutions, guys, and I have already uploaded the slot 1 solutions as well. If you have not watched them, please go and watch those solutions as well. I will share the link of the playlist in the description of this video. In the upcoming videos, I will be uploading the previous year questions with their solutions from CAT 2018. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you, guys.